Hello everyone, we are excited to bring you the latest information regarding the upcoming Sony ZV-E1 full-frame mirrorless camera. As per the latest rumors, this camera is expected to be officially announced on March 29, 2023, and it will be Sony's first full-frame E-mount camera designed specifically for bloggers. Based on the Sony A7S III, the Sony ZV-E1 will feature a 12-megapixel full-frame sensor, which will offer 4K 60p and 4K 120p with no crop and no pixel binning. It will also have a high ISO of 4,09,600 and an advanced autofocus system based on the A7R5, but with even better detection. Additionally, the camera will come equipped with lots of new AI features, making it very innovative. In terms of design, the Sony ZV-E1 is expected to have a similar body style to the ZV-E10, but in the size of the Sony A7C, with some elements of the FX3. It is rumored to be priced slightly below $2,500, which is cheaper than the Sony A7S III. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more updates with you soon.